See? It's there. Let's see if it follows me. Did it fall? Oh, what? Well, that's fucking brilliant. It's flown off. Don't know where it's fucking gone. Very first fucking flight. What a fucking bell end. Go up there, see if it's up there, eh? That's not a fucking good start. Watch me fucking run over it now as well. Yeah, fucking ace. Fuck me, I lost it. Yeah, fucking brilliant. First time I've used it. Gone. Flown off. I'm still fucking hunting for this drone. It's just literally started at here, went up that hill, got to the top, wasn't there, came back down, it wasn't here. And fuck knows it's flown off. Very first maiden flight and it's fucking flown off. Just gonna have a mooch about now. See if I can find the fucker. What the fuck? If we didn't have bad luck, I wouldn't have any luck at all, mate. We just took fucking insurance out yesterday, innit? When I looked on the screen, it kinda showed power lines and there's power lines there. But fuck knows where it's decided to go to. Fucking retarded fucking thing. Kenny says, get one of these, they're ace! What fucking think so, Kenneth? Could be fucking anywhere. Don't know why it fucked off though. Why don't we just stay where it is? where it was. You retarded fucking thing. Fucking thing's gone, hasn't it? Alright, it's a little bit windy, but obviously too fucking windy. Come on, I just need to give up. Go for a pint.